inside my workshop. It's a dove. Just eating some bread remains. Wow, let me try and come closer. There it is. Not even scared. Wow, that's wonderful. And outside, these are the lorry beds. Some lorry beds. And the sunbird is singing in the background. Wow, this is amazing. There comes a second lorry bed to drink water in a bowl that is set in the garden. This is wonderful, guys, isn't it? A third one is waiting up on the fence. Hi guys, don't forget to like the video for support. Please give a comment and share with friends and loved ones. Don't forget to subscribe so that you keep tuned to this channel for nature and wildlife videos. This one is a thunderbird behind my house where it's bushy. The thunderbird is busy striking the spider just alone. Thank you guys for watching. If you are just new, please click the subscribe button so that you stay tuned to this channel for wonderful wildlife and natural content. Thank you so much.